Hi, I'm Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. Our word of the week is thrive. Thrive means to grow, develop, or be successful. So if you are thriving, you are doing very well. Some synonyms which mean the same as thrive are flourish, prosper, and succeed. Some antonyms for thrive, antonyms or opposites, would be to decline, to struggle, or to wither. So a sample sentence: after switching careers, Jill began to thrive in her new role as a teacher. Thrive means to be successful, and that success can be mentally or physically. So thriving means to do really well. All right, that's our word for the week. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.